All right, we got a typing demonstration for this absolutely lovely 1975 Smith-Corona Galaxie 12. Put metal spools on it, brand new black and red ribbon, and this is an elite typewriter. So it's got a 12-inch carriage, and it takes a wide, paper wide. It gives you 130 characters across that. Most typewriters are pica. It's 10 characters per inch for a pica versus 12 characters per inch for an elite. And then a pica machine will go to 110. So, yeah. So word or two or three or four per line can really add up the extra space for a writer. So, yeah, I've got this set up to show how you would use a 12-inch carriage like this with maybe writing out your own poetry, zine, or magazine, or a church bulletin, or something like that. How you use the tabs. So you can see that I'm putting in a pre-folded I think that's okay. So I've put in a pre-folded piece of paper. It's folded inwards, so this is going to be the inside of a booklet. And I'm going to do two poems by Franz Wright, side by side. Here I've got the tabs set, but let's clear it so you can see that. So we hit this clear button, and all right. Just this machine is in great shape. You hear that lovely glide? Oh, it is. It's really nice. A lot of times they can kind of wear down, but this just has. It sounds, it feels close to new. All right, so here we go. I'm going to type out these poems. We've got a margin set about 10 right here. So now we're at the middle. Now we're at the middle of that fold, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Set. There we are. All set. So we're going to do our typing demonstration. Here we go. Okay. Heard the bell there, hopefully. So the bell is working great. So you can see, I mean, it's just really smooth typing. It's really easy to just get cranking away on whatever you're working on. Oops. So the way it works with this will just release the carriage a little bit, and you don't have to go straight to the tab. So it's like a fast forward. Also the power space, right? That does the same thing, fast forwards one space at a time. You just got to hold that down and it'll stop at whatever you set the tab at. So, as you can see, if this was not an Elite machine, the poem here on the right would not have fit. There would have been, I couldn't have done this on a Pica machine because this one, it just would have gone too far over to the right. As it was, I was running into my margin. I could have set the margin wider and had more room, but this is what an Elite machine is good for. All right, so I'm going to do the letter test, just so you can also see that every letter works and that the vertical alignment is good. Sometimes, I'm not gonna lie, I forget the alphabet while I'm doing this. All right, you know, I'm gonna do the characters over here as well. So numbers first, start with the fractions. And then use our tab again. All right, there we go. Let's see if we can bring this in for a close-up. 1975 Smith-Corona Galaxie 12, producing lovely type. Thanks for watching.